So I got the Hisense 50 pint dehumidifier built with a built-in pump, and I'm looking at these instructions. Not so clear how I'm supposed to really use the pump feature. Is it only in continuous mode, or do I put it on auto dry? Like, I'm really confused because these directions are not really clear. So I'm looking up YouTube videos and I have not yet found the right video to help me, or the instructions to help me. So I bought this expensive equipment and I have to manually use the what do you call it? Manually use the bucket. Like, I have to manually empty out the bucket, and I'm gonna show you this in just a second. So yeah, it rolls on a coaster, on caster wheels, I guess you can call them, and it auto senses. I mean, it's been turning off and on. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. It's blocking the light. So if you see right now, it's on auto dry, and overnight I was able to make it have this red empty bucket light come above this label. Now when that red bucket light is on, then I can't do anything except empty out the bucket. I can't press the pump, I can't press any of these other buttons here except for empty out the bucket. So I just come down here and I pull this bucket. I can't open it now because it's on and running, but I just pull this bucket and I have to empty it out. I just see I have some spots where I kind of wasted some of the water. So just like, Hisense could have did a better job of showing me like how to use this feature. Now on the other side is this connection, and this is where I'm supposed to connect the garden hose, but I don't have a garden hose yet, so I may have to do a part 2 this video, because that would probably like help out a lot. Maybe I'll put it in continuous mode and then it'll automatically go through the hose. I don't know. Okay, so it just shut off on its own. The condenser, compressor, whatever is in that air that turns on and off. So hopefully I'll be able to give you a part 2 to this first video on the Hisense dehumidifier 50 pint with a pump. I haven't used the pump yet, but here it is, model DH7021KP1G. All right, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in a follow-up video.